Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Shannon. I hope everybody's doing fine today. And I just was outside and wanted to give y'all an update on the flowers in the front yard. So that's what we're going to do real quick. And yeah, so that's the impatient that I planted. I gotta clean the front porch off. And there's our little front porch sign. They're really starting to look good. Everything's looking fantastic. Except for this hydrangea. I'm not sure what's happened, if it's just gonna leaf out late, but like right there at the bottom, it's got some new leaves on it, but nothing really to brag about. I gotta clean my little water fountain. Those are mums we planted in the fall of last year. Let's go over here to the roses. Where I'll take you. Right. That's the blue hydrangea. It's looking good. This one's coming back. I just have to keep everybody away from it. That's the magnolia bush that I rooted. And my little hydrangea that had some leaves on it. Might hit it with the weed eater. So we gotta keep him away from the plants. And soon as these bloom out, I'm gonna trim this rose bush back. I'm gonna trim them all back as soon as the blooms do. I trimmed this one. This is the purple one that we moved. And this is a yellow, a light pale yellow pink. I forget the name of it. And this one is called White Lies. It's so pretty. But yeah, when they finish blooming, I'm going to trim them. I don't know the name of this one. And that's another pale yellow with pink. Let's go back over here. So, like I said, I'm not sure what's up with that bush. I think this fall I'm going to cut them both back. I got one on each side of the porch. That's looking nice. That's looking pretty good. The petunias are starting to get nice and fluffy. Geraniums are looking nice. And the hosta at the walkway's looking good. And Sweet Williams at the mailbox is looking good too. I gotta get in there and weed them out. And the Gerber daisies, they're looking okay. So we went to At Home store and picked up that little yard flag. And this is the newest member to our hydrangeas. Some more mums we planted back in the fall. And that's the hydrangea that's like the one over on the other side that ain't doing nothing. Those are looking good. And I cut that rose bush back. Looking good. And we also picked up 2 hummingbird feeders, and that's a white peony, that's a light pink peony, and this is like a cherry pink peony. Now, I can't wait for those to bloom. But yeah, it is looking nice. We gotta cut the grass. It's already growed up. He put fertilizer on it. And now it just is growing. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this short little video update. Leave me a comment, a like, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. And y'all take care. God bless. Bye.